Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Kitaholic Hits. Today I am using the August 2019 kit and it is full of the Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely collection. And I'm starting out with this background paper, and this one is called Possibility. And I just really liked the watercolor effect, and I was going for a vertical design, so I felt like those watercolor stripes were excuse me, really kind of added to that. So I have this silly picture of my youngest daughter. For her birthday, she got a squid hat. She's been wanting this squid hat, and so I finally decided for her birthday to buy it for her. And she's just so silly wearing her squid hat. So the photo kind of doesn't go with the papers. Like, I feel like the papers are all super pretty and soft and everything, but the colors go with the photo really well, so that's why I chose this photo. I don't know if anybody else sometimes struggles with this, but sometimes I just really don't feel like editing any photos, and I just want to use what I have already printed because it just seems like it'll take too much work and too much effort to edit some more photos and print them out. So yeah, I had this one ready to go, and the color of the squid kind of matched that stripe in the background, so I thought, why not? Let's just go for it. So I layered the photo with a couple of the 4x6 papers that come in the pocket kit. I'm using the main kit, the paper add-on, and the pocket kit for this layout. I got all three this month, and I'm very happy with my decision. Just because you get like more alphas and everything, not that there's not enough in the main kit, but gives you a little variety. So we were challenged to pull out 4 items from our stash that we wanted to add to this kit, and so one of the things I pulled out were these big words from, I believe, Dear Lizzie. And I'm sorry, I don't know, I have something in my throat that keeps catching, so I'm trying not to cough, but and so I decided to use one of them on here. So I'm going to use hello, and then I'm going to kind of complete my title. It's going to be Hello Crazy Squid Girl, because she has this look on her face and she just looks hilarious, so I figured it worked out well. And now I'm looking for like a little tag or a tab or something that I can put the rest of this title on. And the other items, or one of the other items that I added to my kind of stash pull was these Pink Fresh Studio Indigo Hills 2, the journaling spots. And so I pulled one of them out, and I'm going to fuss around with these letters for a little bit because they don't end up being straight, and yeah. So I just mess around with these for just a few minutes, trying to get everything lined up correctly the way that it makes me happy. And then I'm going to adhere that down. I did pop my photo and my like large title piece up on some fun foam. Excuse me. And another thing that I did is I fussy cut out a whole bunch of the flowers from the black and white floral paper, and let me see if I can. It is called One Fine Day, and I fussy cut out like a whole bunch of the florals out of that, and they are the pieces that I'm going to use kind of to layer around everywhere. So I'm going to just stick all of this down as well, and then I'm going to start with my florals. I'm just trying to make sure everything's straight. Sometimes it's hard when you're trying to keep your head out of the frame to tell if things are straight or not. So I always like to tilt my page up just to make sure. So I'm starting off kind of my columns with these two floral cluster pieces. They were cut off the edge of the page, so I adhered them to the edge of the page. And then I'm just going to take everything and start, laying it around, sticking it down. Just kind of finding where I like things to end up. And when I adhere them down, I kind of only adhere in the middle because I want the edges of the florals and like the leaves to stick up a little bit off the page. It gives it some fun dimension, and it also lets you see the watercolor effect kind of show from behind. So just playing around with these, and this could really get you into some trouble. Like if you only have a set amount of time to scrapbook, these little fussy cut pieces can really get you into some trouble, because I could spend probably forever moving them around and trying them out in different places before I'm happy with them. But I did not have that kind of time today, so I just end up just liking where they are and leaving them. I do think I trade a couple of them out because I am going to pull in a couple of the stickers from this Pink Fresh Studio The Office Hours stickers, and then also from the Pink Fresh die cuts that we got in the kit as well. I'm going to pull a couple of things in. I have this little tag here that says wake up and be awesome, I think. And the reason I'm pulling this in is because it's the same color as the squid hat, and I feel like it kind of helps pull that color around. So there's a big splash of it kind of up in that right part of the column, and so I just kind of want to pull it down. I did the crazy squid girl in kind of that same kind of peachy orangey color. And so I'm just going to find a few more pieces just to kind of pull everything through. So I'm going to move that tag over there. I pull this other one that says 100% fun. And then I'm going to pull out the Amy Tangerine Puffy Hearts. And I don't know, like, did these have liquid in them? Which would be the most ridiculous idea ever, I guess. They're probably full of air, but they just are weird. Yeah. I pull out one of those wooden buttons off of the Pink Fresh embellishment kits. I have that one heart that says love on it, and it's the perfect color. And then I'm going to pull one more here and place it just above the photo, and it's going to say favorite. And that's pretty much going to be my layout. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to kitaholichits.com, and I will see you again next time. Bye!